Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes children, hope you all are fine. Okay. Now yesterday you people have received the poem The Sticky Licky and the lesson The Red Hen. Yes. So we have already completed one lesson and one poem in prose and poetry. So today we will go with the grammar part, that the first lesson is already completed in that is has and had. So now children, you people have learnt many stories from your KG class. Yes, like the thirsty crow and then the cane and the farmer, and the two silly goats, the shepherd and his wolf. Like this way, different stories we have learnt. Even different rhymes also you have learnt. So today, here there is a story in your textbook and only the pictures are given in the story. We have to see the same we are going to recall now in the first standard. ನೀವು ಏನು ಓದಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ there is a short puzzle in this. What is that? They have given 4 pictures in the textbook. You can see here there are 4 pictures in the textbook, and then they have given some 5 sentences down, but the sentences are not in the correct order. Yes, sentences ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ correct order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So what we have to do, we have to see the pictures and then we have to arrange the sentence in the order. So you all can see page number 45 in your textbooks. Page number 45. And the name of the story is 17. The Fox and the Grapes. The Fox and the Grapes. The name of the story is The Fox and the Grapes. Children, you have already studied this story. Yes? So what the fox was doing with the grapes? Where it find the grapes? And how did the fox take out the grapes from the tree? How did it pluck the grapes from the tree? So you know? No, many of you all have forgot. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, ಭಾಳ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ನೆನಪೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನದ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ, ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ. You have forgot. So today let me remember you people that story once again with the help of a video clip. Come children, we will watch the story now.
Long ago, there lived a fox who loved to eat. One day, he was strolling through the woods. He came upon a grape orchard. There, he found a bunch of beautiful grapes hanging from a high branch. Grapes had never looked so good, and the fox felt very hungry. However, the grapes hung higher than the fox could reach. He backed up and took a running start and jumped. He did not get high enough. He went back to his starting spot and tried again. He almost fox got high enough this time, but not quite. He tried and tried, again and again, but just couldn't get high enough to grab the grapes. Finally, he gave up. As he walked away, he put his nose in the air and said, "I am sure those grapes are sour."
Now, you all have seen the video of the fox and the grapes story. Children, in that story, you saw the fox was moving in the farm. Then when it was moving, then there was one farm, and in that farm, the fox, it found some grapes, and the grapes were hanging in the bunch. They were in bunch. Yes, many grapes were there. Grapes, when you go to buy grapes, how you buy? You buy one, na? One? No. It will be a bunch of grapes. Yes or no? We find the grapes in the bunch. Like this. We find the grapes in the bunch. So, ಈ ತರ ಗುತ್ತಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Bunch ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. What we call? Bunch. So, the fox saw there was a big tree, and for the tree the grapes were all hanging. So after seeing at that grapes, the fox wanted to eat that grapes. Then the fox is so small in size and the tree had grown so big. Then what to do? It jumped up to pluck the grapes from the tree to eat it. But it did not get. Once again it tried, but still the fox could not find the grapes to eat. Then last it went little far, it came running and it jumped up. Why? So that when it runs and comes and when it jumps, it can jump very high and it can find the bunch of grapes to eat. But still the fox did not find the grapes to eat. Then what the fox did? It tried and the fox, it got tired. Why? Because many times the fox tried to pluck the grapes from the tree, but it was unable to pluck the grapes from the tree. Then it became very sad. Who became very sad? The fox. Who became very sad? The fox. Why the fox became very sad, children? Because the fox was not getting the grapes. How many times it is trying to pluck the grapes from the tree? But it tried too many times, but the fox, it didn't get any grapes to eat. Then the fox slowly, it made its face so small, it became very sad and slowly it started moving. And when it was moving, it said, maybe these grapes are sour. The fox didn't say that, I tried but I did not get the grapes to eat. But it said, maybe those grapes are very sour. For that, I did not pluck them properly to eat. So, here you can see, children, they have given the pictures into your textbook. Yes. Here you can see the first picture. You can see that the fox. Yes. The fox, what it is doing? It is entered the farm of the grapes. Here you can see so many grapes are hanging on the tree. And the fox is looking for the grapes. You can see here. The fox head is up and it is watching at the grapes. And in the second picture you can see the fox is trying to jump. The fox is trying to pluck the grapes from the tree. What the fox is trying? The fox is trying to pluck the grapes from the tree. You can see here also there are many grapes hanging on the tree. Yes or no? There are many grapes. Next, coming to the next third picture. Here you can find the fox is jumping. What the fox is doing? The fox is jumping. See here you can see. It is jumping up. Why it is jumping up? To pluck the grapes from the tree. The fox is jumping to pluck the grapes from the tree. But the fox is unable to pluck the grapes. Why? Because the grapes are very up on the tree, very high on the tree, and the fox is unable to pluck the grapes from the tree. You can see the distance here. There is gap. The fox is unable to pluck the grapes. Coming to the fourth picture. Here you can see the fox, it tried and tried and tried and tried. It tried too many times to pluck the grapes from the trees, but it didn't get any grapes to eat. Then what it did? It's just moving back from where it had come because it is not finding any grapes to eat. So here they have given some 5 sentences and those sentences are not in correct order. Order andre enu? Correct illa hinda munde madidare. Adanna neevu ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. What is the question they have given there? First we'll read the question. Look at the pictures below and write what the fox did in correct order with the help of the clues given below. Yes. Look at the pictures below and write what the fox did in the correct order with the help of the clues given below. Yes, already they have given the 4 pictures in your textbook and I have showed you the video also. So now we have to see what this fox will do. What the fox did first? The fox, as it was moving in the street, and there it found a farm, and in that farm what did it find? It find the bunches of grapes. What the fox saw? The fox saw the bunches of grapes hanging from the trees. Then what the fox did? The fox wanted to eat that grapes. Yes or no? The fox, it wanted to eat that grapes. So to eat the grapes, the fox should pluck the grapes from the tree. And it was trying continuously to pluck the grapes. 2 to 3 times, more than 4 times, 5 times the fox tried to pluck the grapes. But still the fox was unable to pluck the grapes. Then what the fox did? Then the fox became very sad and the fox, it went away saying, maybe these grapes are sour. So first sentence what they have given? The grapes are sour. The fox saw a bunch of grapes. He jumped and jumped but could not reach the grapes. He wanted the grapes, so he went away saying. So see, what to do now? We have to arrange this sentence in the order. Yes or no? So this is only the textbook work, children. ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೀ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Yes. So here. So look at the picture. So what is the question given here? I will write here. Look at the pictures below and write what the fox did in correct order with the help of the clues given below. Yes. So here the first sentence what they have given, the first one is the grapes are so. Second one, a fox saw a bunch of grapes. A fox saw a bunch of grapes. Third one, he jumped and jumped. He jumped and jumped but could not reach the grapes. Fourth one, he wanted the grapes. Fourth one is what here? He wanted the grapes. Fifth one, the last one is what there? So he went away saying. So he went away saying. So now these are not in the proper order. Now we have to arrange these words, sentences in the proper order. Yes. So here, first one, down lines are given in a textbook, children. You all can see the lines. Here the lines are given or no? Write on this line only. Write on today's day and date there. Okay, and write in class 1. And here only you write down the sentences. Na illu bardirodana ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. You have to write here. All getting me? Write here. So now see, first what the fox did? A fox saw a bunch of grapes. When it entered into the farm, what the fox did? A fox saw a bunch of grapes is first sentence. Yes. A fox saw a bunch of grapes. Second one is what here? The fox wanted to eat the grapes. When it saw the grapes, then the fox felt that it want to eat the grapes. So he wanted the grapes. Yes, he wanted the grapes. This is second sentence. Third one, because He jumped. He jumped and jumped, but he could not. He could not reach the grapes. Reach the grapes. Next. 4. Then when it did not reach the grapes, what it said? The grapes are sour. What the fox started saying? The grapes. The grapes are sour. Then last it said, so he went away. Sorry, this is correct. So he went away saying, the fox went away saying what? The grapes are sour. The grapes are sour. So we arranged the sentences in the order. First, the fox saw a bunch of grapes. Then he wanted the grapes to eat. Then he jumped and jumped, but he could not reach the grapes. The next, so he went away saying, when he did not find the grapes to eat, then what it started saying? The grapes are sour. What it said? The grapes are sour. So this was the today's small topic that I have completed in the grammar chapter. This you have to write here down where you can find the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 lines are there. You have to write all the 5 lines here only down. Write the day and date. Idu bare textbook activity. Idanna notebook olagade yaru baringilla. All are getting me, children? So you read this, see the video, story video once or twice, then you will understand what is the story, because already you have learnt this story in the pre-section. You people have already learnt this story in the pre-section. So it will be very easy for you people to understand. Read and then see in what way we have rearranged the sentences. And read the sentences properly, because I may ask these sentences as fill in the blanks in your exams also. Okay, children? So, you read this, write this in your textbook. Don't write this in your notebooks. Okay, read again and again so that you will understand the story. See the video again and again so that you can understand the story. This photocopy also, this textbook photocopy also, you have to send me on the app. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Have a great day.